Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get the taco fern on Grow a Garden. It is a little bit harder to get. If you go to Crispy and go to the view rewards, as you can see, you'll see that the text is like glowing. That means you'll need to give Crispy like divine or prismatic or even transcendent like foods so that it's easier for you to get that item. So here I'm just going to try to make one prismatic. I don't have the grand tomato yet. I just got some bone blossoms from a friend, so I am going to get a tomato, and then I'm just going to go to the middle here. So let me see. Okay, let me get, so you'll need 4 bone blossoms and 1 tomato. Okay, so that's 1. And then 2. And then 3. And then 4. And 1 tomato. Let's do this one. And then we're going to select cook. And it's going to cook the craven, which is a salad. It's going to take around 23 minutes because the ingredients are like a transcendent ingredient, I guess, or a prismatic divine. I don't know. It just takes longer to cook when your ingredients like this. So I'll be right back in 30 minutes. And hopefully I'll get the taco fern. If not, some other like prismatic gift that Crispy can give me. Okay, so our salad is ready. Let's just get the salad and we're going to get this out. As you can see, it's transcendent, so we're going to give it to Chris in hopes to get the taco fern. I'm not sure if we'll get it immediately, but I guess we'll get a good reward. So try this food I cooked up, and as you can see, I got a lot, and I even started the kitchen storm because of the food that I gave to Crispy. So yeah, that's how you can kind of get taco fern. You need to cook transcendent, divine, prismatic foods, etc. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.